Hi there, I'm Rosemary, and today I'll show you how to sew an Italian Greyhound shirt using my pattern. Let's start. This model is designed for non-stretch fabric. Sew the back shirt 1 waistline and back shirt 2 waistline right sides together, then serge the seam. Fold and press 1 cm on the front opening edge of the front right and front left pieces. Then fold and press an additional 3 cm. Finally, top stitch 0.2 cm from the folded edge. Sew the front and back shoulder seams right sides together. Sew the front and back side seams right sides together and serge the seams. Prepare the sleeves. Sew the side seam of sleeves right sides together and serge the seams. Prepare the cuffs. Sew the bottom edges together with right sides facing. Open the piece, then sew the side seams together with right sides facing. Finally, fold the cuff along the bottom seam with the wrong sides facing. Attach the cuff to the sleeve. Here, I will show 2 options. Option 1, this option is simpler. With the right sides together, sew the cuff opening to the sleeve hem. Then finish the seam allowance by serging the raw edges together. Option 2, with the right sides together, sew one edge of the cuff opening to the sleeve hem. Turn the sleeve to the wrong side and fold the remaining edge of the cuff opening under by 1 cm. Position the folded edge so that it covers the sleeve hem seam allowance, then stitch close to the folded edge to secure it. In both cases, match the side seam of the cuff with the side seam of the sleeve and start sewing from that point. Attach the sleeves. Turn the body inside out and the sleeve right side out. Insert the sleeve into the armhole and match the sleeve side seam to the body side seam. Also match the front of the sleeve to the front of the body. Sew the sleeve to the armhole, then finish the seam allowance with a serger, overlocker. Important, keep the sleeve underneath the body while sewing. Place the collar pieces right sides together and sew them, leaving the neck hole edge unstitched. Clip the corners, turn the collar right side out, and, if desired, top stitch close to the edge. Make small notches at the markings on the stand pieces. Position the collar between the notches and pin in place if desired. Place the stand pieces right sides together with the collar sandwiched between them, and sew, leaving the neck hole line edge unstitched. Turn the stand right side out and edge stitch close to the folded edge. Sew the collar to the body. You can do this in 2 ways, with right sides together, sew the collar to the body. Keep the body piece underneath the collar while sewing, then finish the seam with a serger, or, sew the right side of one neck hole edge of the stand to the right side of the shirt neck hole. Turn the shirt to the wrong side and fold the remaining stand neck hole edge under by 1 cm. Position it to cover the neck hole seam allowance and stitch close to the folded edge to secure it. Double fold the outer hems of the shirt by 1 cm and stitch close to the folded edge to secure it. Work buttonholes at the marked positions and sew on the buttons. If preferred, Velcro may be used instead of buttons. Thank you.